Hey Andy, I really liked your presentation. I chuckled a few times when you were talking about heme, and if you didn't have heme, you'd be out of luck. That is very accurate. And in response to your logic about um, if there wasn't a change in pH, what would happen between oxygen and hemoglobin? You mentioned how the affinity for oxygen decreases when the pH decreases. So, using that logic, if there was no change from the lungs to the tissues, then less oxygen would be released by the hemoglobin, and that would not be good for your tissues. Just like you mentioned, like after working out, the buildup of lactic acid and those cramps and needing those muscles needing more oxygen, that would not happen if the pH between the lungs and the tissue did not change and remained at 7.4, just like the lungs do. So, yeah, I really liked your presentation. Thanks for the chuckles and hope you have a great day.